please call upon co-founder of Sanjeevani?
The eminent dais, dear friends, and darling red t-shirters. एक्चुअली मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, मैंने MBA किया, राइट? बड़ा आसान होता था करना, सुबह जाओ मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट, अर्चिता वुड अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? मार्केट रिसर्च. अब मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, इतनी देर से सोच रहा हूँ, यार ये हो क्या रहा है, हो क्या रहा है यहाँ? मतलब what was the spectrum? It was enormous. When Dr. Jayata was speaking, I literally, for one moment I thought I should take that goddamn piece of paper that I have, which says Masters in Business Management, and I topped it up with a paper called Chartered Financial Analyst and tear the bloody thing off. Because what you did with these people was marvelous. I mean, that is the spectrum of education that they have got in this 4 months. There is no words that can describe that. There is absolutely no words. So thank you so much. To TIS, thank you so much to TMH. Thank you so much to the mentors of Sanjeevani. Thank you so much to the students who came forward to join this first batch. I remember जब ये कोर्स हुआ था, हम एक स्टेज ये थी कि अर्चना, लक्ष्मी, रूबी सोच रहे थे कि हमें 20 स्टूडेंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, राइट? इट वॉज अ चैलेंज. आज आप ये कोर्स ख़त्म कर रहे हो. इट इज़ सच अ वंडरफुल फीलिंग. Sir, my gratitude to you also for saying that you would like to replicate this course at other places. It is such a wonderful idea, such a wonderful thought, because as I see in 3 years, if you have 300, 400 people as they are sitting in front of you, duly trained in providing solace to people fighting cancer. And believe me, only a person who's gone through this journey of cancer can understand what the fight is all about. I know that on one day I got a piece of paper which said that dreaded word. My first call was to a lady sitting on the dais, because the gentleman was not there, he was going abroad or somewhere, and I spoke to him at 2 and he was at the airport, 2 in the morning. And actually you don't know what to do. Blank. You're just blank. When you get a piece of paper that says carcinoma, I mean the word finishes, it is over, it is dead. ठीक है ना? गलत कह रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this idea of yours to have this army of volunteers who would go and give succor to people who are fighting this dreaded disease probably should be an idea which should go to the Guinness Book.
Why not?
Really,
Actually.
it should go to Guinness Book. So I am not taking names individually and saying thank you, because I think enough names have been taken. My time was 8:30. Have I overshot? No, 1 minute. Okay. So thank you so much to everybody who was associated with this course, especially TIS, TMH, and the mentors for all the support. 3 people I have to thank specially. 2 of them are not here. Dr. De Cruz, I wish he was here. Dr. Ashwini Kumar, he is from TIS and he was initially involved with giving the structure to the course. Unfortunately, I think he's traveling, he's not here. and Dr. Mohan Kumar, who is Registrar of TRIS, who could not be here. Without their support, this thing maybe would have taken a little more longer, and शायद बादल थोड़े से ज़्यादा होते जो नसरीन मैडम ने छांटे. Trisha, you did a fantastic job, babe. You did a fantastic job. Writing the document, you see, every journey starts with a paper. And that first paper came out of your laptop. And that is what all matters. You know, they say America is a great country. I went for my son's convocation. I traveled there for a full 1 month, इधर उधर. मैं ढूंढता था कैसे ग्रेट है यार, सड़कें अच्छी है, ठीक है. ग्रेट कैसे है, ग्रेट कैसे है, ग्रेट कैसे है. But I realized one thing, sir, that makes that country great. Every citizen of America has equal opportunity to do what he wants to. And thank you so much, TIS and TMH, for giving this opportunity to these people who are sitting here. Look at the age profile. 18 to 60. 67, sorry. Okay, 67. Look at the diversity. You know, Sonal, you got that award. Congratulations. Right? But if I may say, my favorite student in this class was Bilkis. My favorite student was Bilkis. All Bilkis learnt in WhatsApp and Facebook was good morning, sir. That was all. But every day at 12:30 a.m. I would get a good morning, sir, and this lady didn't let me sleep for 4 months. Fantastic, Bilkis. Bilkis was my favorite student. Because that is the spirit. और नहीं, because अगर और बोला तो मीनल मैडम वहीं से वो पानी की बोतल मेरे मारने वाली है, because she's got laid out a very lovely dinner for everybody. Thank you, Meenal, for keeping everybody's tummy filled, and believe me, that is very important for me. So the rest of the academic council and all मुझे समझ नहीं आता है, मेरे को पेट समझ बहुत ज़रूरी आता है, ठीक है? So thank you so much, and all gratitude from us at Sanjeevani for doing this for us. Thanks.